Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 3.0 V6 3GR engine family is a significant part of Toyota's GR engine series, known for its smooth operation and presence in various midsize and luxury vehicles, particularly in Asian and European markets where larger engines might be less common. History and versions. The 3GR is a 3.0-liter, 2,994 cubic centimeters, V6 engine with a 60-degree V-angle, aluminum block, and DOHC, dual overhead cam, cylinder heads. It was introduced in 2003 as part of the GR family, which aimed to replace the older JZ straight-six engines and some VZ V6S. Its production ran until around 2012. The 3GR engines were primarily found in Toyota Crown, S180, S200 generations, Toyota Mark X, X120 generation, Lexus GS 300, S190 generation, some other regional Toyota models. Key variants: 3GR FE. This is the basic variant with traditional port fuel injection, EFI. It features dual VVTi, variable valve timing with intelligence, on both intake and exhaust camshafts. Power output typically ranges from 250 to 256 horsepower and 310 to 314 newton-meters, around 229 to 232 lb-ft of torque. 3GR FSC. This is the more advanced variant, primarily used in Lexus models, like the GS 300 and some Toyota Crown/Mark X models. It incorporates Toyota's D4 direct fuel injection system in addition to port injection, similar to D4S, but often referred to simply as D4 in this generation. This system allowed for higher compression, up to 11.5:1 for atmospheric versions, 10.5:1 for supercharged, leading to improved power and efficiency. A rare supercharged version was also offered in some markets, e.g., restyled Mark X, producing around 320 horsepower and 412 newton-meters, 304 lb-ft of torque. Both variants use a timing chain for valve actuation. Review and opinions. The 3GR engine generally receives positive opinions for its smoothness and refinement. As a V6 from Toyota/Lexus, it's known for its quiet and smooth operation, contributing to a premium driving experience. Adequate power. While not a performance powerhouse, it provides sufficient power for daily driving and highway cruising in the vehicles it powered, especially the direct-injected FSE variant. General reliability. Like many Toyota engines, the 3GR is considered reliable, though the FSE version introduced some new complexities and potential issues compared to the simpler FE. Timing chain. A significant advantage, reducing long-term maintenance. Some opinions might suggest that the naturally aspirated 3.0 doesn't feel as punchy at lower RPMs compared to modern turbocharged engines, but its linear power delivery is appreciated by many. Advantages. Refined operation, very smooth and quiet running, characteristic of Lexus engines. Good power output, provides ample power for its applications, particularly the 3GR FSE. Timing chain. Eliminates the need for costly timing belt replacements. Dual VVTi. Optimizes valve timing for efficiency and performance. D4 direct injection. 3GR FSE contributes to better fuel atomization, higher compression, and improved power/efficiency compared to port injection alone. Durable construction. Built with an aluminum block and heads, it's generally robust. Disadvantages. Fuel consumption. While better than some older V8s, as a naturally aspirated 3.0 V6, it's not exceptionally fuel efficient by modern standards, especially in city driving. Complexity. 3GR FSE, the direct injection system, adds complexity and can introduce specific issues not present in the simpler port-injected 3GR FE. Specific known issues. The FSE variant, in particular, has a few recurring problems, see faults and breakdowns. Less common in Western markets, primarily sold in Japan and other Asian/Middle Eastern markets, which can make finding parts or specialized knowledge more challenging in regions like North America or Europe compared to the more ubiquitous GR engines like the 2GR or 1GR. Faults and breakdowns. While generally reliable, the 3GR engine, particularly the 3GR FSC, has some known issues. Cylinder scoring/piston ring issues. 3GR FSE. This is the most notable and serious concern for the 3GR FSC, especially for models from certain early production years, e.g., 2006 to 2008. Some engines experience scoring on cylinder walls, particularly cylinder number 5, or issues with piston rings, leading to excessive oil consumption, misfires, and reduced compression. Theories suggest this could be due to localized overheating, manufacturing defects, or dust ingress. Toyota reportedly had a recall campaign for some affected units to replace defective valve springs and, in severe cases, pistons/piston rings. Valve spring issues. 2006 to 2008 3GR FSC. Due to impurities in the metal, valve springs in certain production batches could crack, leading to engine noise and potentially stalling. This was subject to a recall campaign. VVTi actuator rattle, cold start, a common complaint across many GR series engines, including the 3GR, is a brief rattling or crackling noise from the VVTi phase regulators, cam gear sprockets, on cold starts. While often not immediately critical, persistent noise might indicate worn VVTi couplings that eventually need replacement. Leaking water pump, a common wear item on many Toyota engines. The water pump can start leaking over time. Ignition coil failures. Some owners report premature failure of ignition coils. AFS sensors and lambda probes. These sensors, crucial for fuel mixture, can be sensitive to low-quality fuel and may fail, leading to engine lights and running issues. Fuel pipe corrosion/leaks. On some early models, corrosion of fuel pipes or leaks at cylinder head joints have been reported. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption for the 3.0 V6 3GR engine, especially the 3GR FSC, is decent for its class, but not outstanding by today's standards. For a Lexus GS 300 3GR FSC, city, around 14.0 L/100 km, approximate 16.8 mpg US. Highway, around 7.0 L/100 km, approximate 33.6 mpg US. Combined, around 9.5 L/100 km, approximate 24.8 mpg US. Real-world figures will vary based on vehicle weight, driving style, and conditions. Timing. Both the 3GR FE and 3GR FSE engines utilize a timing chain system. This is an advantage as timing chains are designed for the life of the engine and typically do not require regular replacement, contributing to lower long-term maintenance costs. Oil. Recommended oil type. For the 3GR FSE, typical recommendations are 5W, 20 or 5W, 30 motor oil. Always refer to the specific vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and up-to-date recommendation. Oil capacity. The oil capacity for the 3GR FSE is typically around 6.3 liters, approximately 6.6 US quarts, with a filter change. Oil change interval. Standard Toyota recommendations apply. Generally 10,000 kilometers, around 6,000 miles, or 6 months for conventional oil, or 15,000 kilometers, around 9,000 miles, or 12 months for synthetic oil under normal driving conditions. Given the potential for oil consumption issues on some 3GR FSC units, monitoring oil levels frequently and adhering to regular, high-quality oil changes is particularly important. In conclusion, the Toyota 3.0 V6 3GR engine offers a blend of smooth performance and good general reliability. The 3GR FE is a simpler, very robust engine, while the 3GR FSE, with its direct injection, provides more power and efficiency but is associated with some more significant, albeit less widespread, reliability concerns, particularly related to cylinder scoring and valve springs in early production batches. As with any engine, proper and diligent maintenance is key to its longevity. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.